I've been exploring the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. The Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card is aimed at people who want to build or rebuild credit, but still earn something back on their spending. You put down a refundable security deposit starting at $200, and in return, you get a real credit card that reports to the bureaus, which is what actually helps your credit over time. For rewards, you earn 2% cash back on all purchases during the first year, then an unlimited 1.5% after that, with no cap and no expiration as long as the account stays open. There is no annual fee, and you still get the modern extras like mobile and online banking, digital wallets, alerts, and a $0 liability guarantee for fraudulent transactions. With that said, it's not perfect. The ongoing variable APR sits in the high 20s, which makes carrying a balance very expensive in today's rate environment, so this should never be your long-term financing tool. There is no welcome bonus or intro 0% APR, which many unsecured cashback cards now offer in 2026. And the 5% balance transfer fee is steep if you were hoping to move debt over. Because it is secured, your credit limit depends on how much cash you can lock up plus your ability to pay. So if your budget is tight, you might feel constrained by a low limit at first. Also, not everyone will graduate and get their deposit back automatically. Bank of America reviews your broader credit profile, so you need consistent, responsible use before that happens. Overall, this card makes sense if your priority is rebuilding credit while earning solid, simple cashback and you're disciplined enough to pay in full every month. If you already qualify for an unsecured card with a bonus or lower APR, those options may be more rewarding and flexible, but for a first or comeback card, this is a competitive, no annual fee choice in 2026. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.